Looking for professional clock repair in Madison Heights, Michigan? All Clock Repair specializes in expert repair and restoration of antique clocks, Atmos clocks, vintage clocks, grandfather clocks, mantel clocks, wall clocks, and treasured family heirlooms. Need grandfather clock repair in Madison Heights, Michigan? Our experienced clock repair specialists provide precision cleaning, lubrication, mechanical repairs, adjustments, restoration, and preventive maintenance to keep your clock performing beautifully for years to come. Visit birminghamclockrepair.blogspot.com to discover our professional clock repair services, restoration expertise, and trusted craftsmanship. Call All Clock Repair today at 248-991-7137 and let us restore the beauty, accuracy, and value of your cherished timepiece.